My name is Garner Mahan. I'm the National Account Director for NEX TEC and NEX TEC. The thing I think that really sets us apart is our ability to go into a classroom, discuss theory, come out, work on the equipment like you see behind me, get their hands dirty. They've got components, they can look at chains, molds, put it in their hands, talk about it, talk through safety. We've got some guys here that are OEM trained from some of the biggest blow molders, injection molders in the world, 30+ years experience. I mean, they are rock stars in the business. Then we got some young guys that have been in a plant for years and years, and they'd rather get out of the plant, get on the road. They really stand out for us. We have very little turnover. It's really surprised me how little turnover we have. Once we get a tech, they typically stick with us long haul. Most techs are going to come in and they're going to get a good theory and good hands-on experience working on the machine. After the class, they'll be able to troubleshoot, they'll be able to head problems off, they'll be able to improve their quality. It's going to be a good thing for our customers. And I'd like to point out, this is customer driven. Ownership did this because customers asked him to. Hey, and I very much look forward to seeing you here. I'm also in Fort Worth, where the training facility is. I'll give you a tour anytime you want it.